today's lesson is the use of have to and has to. Who can tell me the difference and the usage? Mr. Guzman. Nothing? What is this? Nobody did their assignment at home? None of you can even answer me? Why are you late, Mr. Tolentino?
Ma'am, bumili lang po ako ng toilet.
Let me remind you, this is English class.
I bought a pen, ma'am.
Sit down and bring out your books.
Yan, si Ma'am Evangelista. Stricto. Laging nakasimangot. Nakakatakot.
Yes, Mr. Tolentino.
Para siyang pinaglisa sa manang loob.
Late again, Mr. Tolentino. Remove your earrings.
Parang kada araw, lagi siyang may issue.
Where's your book? How will you read the lesson?
Pero kahit ganyan siya pa rin ang favorite teacher ko.
I'm really worried about your grades and habitual practice.
Sorry po, ma'am.
May problema ba sa bahay?
Wala naman po.
Nandito lang ako pag kailangan mo ng kausap. Ako ang nanay mo sa school.